best e-commerce website builder in UK. So I was able to build this nice looking amazing e-commerce website, and in this video I'm going to show you the best e-commerce website that I used to build it, and then show you how to also do the exact same thing. Okay, so simply go to Google and then come and search for 10web.io, just like this one, then hit enter. When it comes, simply come here and then come and select the 10web official website, and it's going to bring you right here. Simply come here to where it says generate your website and then click on it. So they are going to ask what do you really want to do. Simply come here to where it says generate a new website with AI, and then come and click on the proceed. So over here they are going to ask you to describe your website by simply selecting your website category. Okay, so when you click on it you can go through, but if you don't see exactly what you want, come and put in what you want. Okay, so just type in e-commerce store and then select it, and then simply come down here to where you have the next and come and click on the next. So over here they are going to ask you the name of your store. So I'm going to come the name of my store as Ladies Purse, and then come to the describe your store and then come and write something amazing so that they can use it to build your website for you. Okay, so this is what I'm going to write, and then simply come here to enhance with AI and then come and click on it so that the AI can generate something just for your store. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the AI did. The next thing is that they are going to ask you, do you own a domain? If you have your own domain, simply come here to where it says yes and then select yes. If you don't have any domain, come and select the no so that they can provide you with a subdomain. Okay, so this is the subdomain that you can use to build your store. Okay, so when you are okay with it, simply come here and then come and click on the next. And then over here, the AI is going to automatically generate categories and then products for your store. Okay, so this is the category that the AI has generated. Then this is the product. Okay, so it has generated 3 categories and 3 products that is going to be used to build the store. Simply come and then click on finalize, and then over here what you have to do is to simply go through a short registration process. You can do it by simply clicking on sign up with Google, or you can type your email manually right here by putting your email, your first name, your last name, then come and create a strong password and then click on sign up. Okay, I'm going to go with a shortcut by simply coming to click on sign up with Google. Okay, that one is faster. And then over here simply come and then choose the account, the Gmail account, by clicking on it, and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to simply sit back, relax, and then wait for the AI to build your online store. So as you can see, congratulations, the online store is ready. Simply come down here to the preview and edit, and this is our online store. It is fast, easy, and anybody can really do this. Okay, so that is why it is the best. Okay, so this is our online store. When you come down here, okay, as you can see, you can switch between the desktop mode and then the mobile mode. Let's click the mobile mode, and then this is how our e-commerce platform is going to look like on the mobile. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, let's switch back to the desktop mode by clicking on this. And then over here, the top right hand corner, you can choose any of these color, and that is the color that is going to be used to build your store. And then you can choose the font that you want. If you don't want the font that they have used, you can select any of the font that you prefer. Okay, beside that one, you can come and click on this and then edit the website, the whole website. And when you're ready, come and click on this save. Okay, and this is the name of our website. Beside that one, we also have our menus right here. We have the shop all, and then the categories are right here. Okay, so let's select the bag categories and let's see. So this is one of the bag that they use. It is AI generated pictures. It is free from copyright. Okay, and then this is how the shop page looks like, and then we have our payment methods right here. We can edit any of them, okay, to fit your preference. And then the image is welcome wall, nice. Okay, so you don't have any issue with copyright. We have our product description right here, and then we have our related products down here. Okay, so it's awesome, simple, and then you can change anything. Okay, so let's clear all this and then go back to the official site again so that we can log into our dashboard. Okay, so when you come here, it says my dashboard, come and click on it, and then from your dashboard you can manage your whole website by clicking on the manage. Okay, And then over here, so this is the back end, you can add a new product manually. Not only that, you can edit your website, and then you can even add a custom domain, and then you can set up your payment method. Okay, so when you want to go back, come and click on this icon, and then you can even move your website to a different web host, okay, by clicking on automated one click migration. And then you can also backup and then upload it in a different way anywhere that you want it to. This is so far one of the best e-commerce website builder in UK. So just simply go and then check it out, like the video, and then see you in my next video.